What's up? The Discord server community pack volume 2. I've got all of these samples that you guys submitted in the Discord server. Shout outs to all you guys for contributing to this pack. I really think that this is gonna be one of the best free our type of music fucking sample pack, you know, that's ever been made. Shout outs to the homie Daco for processing these. We're gonna try to make a fucking super vibey fucking banger. This could go either one of two ways. It's gonna sound super dope, super fly, super high, or it's gonna sound super whack, super loud. Where do we start? Kind of like that. Kind of like that little ting. Ooh, I like that one too. Interesting. That's an interesting one. That was cool. Like that one. That one. Ooh, I like that one. The fact that I get that excited about a fucking snare. Oof. That sounds pretty cool. Daco. I swear to God, there's so many talented ass people on this server. You guys are gonna hear about these guys. Come on, dude. This mother... I wanna grab some of my kicks. I'm gonna throw some of these samples in this sample pack as well. Probably my fucking favorite kick right now. What even the tempo is this? Shortcuts are not on. If you aren't doing this already, get a mouse with gaming buttons. Put whatever shortcuts you fuck with. Yeah, I don't know if I like this one that much anymore. The sidechain. Gotta sidechain this shit real quick. This is gonna be tight. I can already tell. Alright, so I'm gonna fix this sample really quick. Oh shit, am I tripping? What is that spike right there? It's not this one. It could be. You can amplify things down like that, like maybe like specific little, you know, waveforms that you want to maybe tame down like that. So let me see if that fixes what I'm trying to fix. See, that made the whole thing kind of louder. You know what? I kind of like that way better. Okay, so I routed both of these sounds to the same channel, and now I'm gonna put my fucking rack on it to make it, you know, more stupid, and I'm gonna put it on it, but just subtly, you know, a little subtlety in this bitch. And then this one right here, I'm gonna just stretch it out, make it unique as a sample, and then stretch it out like this. Make sure the pitch is normal. You know what? I think I heard some melodic shit in here too. Alright, let's see what that sounds like. Alright, I just reversed that shit. I can't believe nobody put vocals in here. So I really want some vocals in this pack. So I'm gonna open up submissions for this pack again. You can join the Discord server and drop your samples in there. I would love to hear some of your guys' vocals. You have them till the end of this month, which is July 31st, 2020. But you can still download these right now, and when we get the new samples, we'll upload them and you'll get an email with an update. I really want to use this. That might work. Just if I put it quietly in there. Maybe we could just like volume do it. I don't know at this point. What is this song? It's gonna be like a... Yeah, that'd be sick. Oh my gosh, I got the exact fucking thing to add in here. Some wash out. You know what? This right here, I'm gonna take this base, reverse it, stretch it, go like this, make it like that. Dude, imagine if the bass went boom, boom, boom on the second drop just because. Let's try it. I have ideas. Let's stretch it. I think I like it a lot. I kind of want to make it more interesting right here, the build-up. I'm going to take some of the frequencies out on the main bass. You know, if we get some really cool vocals in the next update for this pack, then maybe I'll add some vocals on here and we'll have a track. I fuck with this. So if you want to download this pack, the link is in the description. Go ahead and get it. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of shit, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Share it with your friends. I don't know, do something. Oh, and if you want this project, consider becoming a Patreon.